Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Stripe Connect for Marketplace apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing with Stripe Connect for your Marketplace app, create a Stripe account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Connect section in the left sidebar. Select Get Started to enable Stripe Connect for your account. Choose between the standard, express, or custom account types based on your needs. For a typical marketplace, express accounts are often recommended due to their balance of flexibility and ease of use. Once you choose an account type, review the features and pricing associated with it. After selecting your preferred account type, click on Continue. Fill out the required information about your business and personal details. Make sure to provide accurate and complete information, as this will be crucial for verification. Next, Stripe will prompt you to set up your OAuth settings. Go to the Developers section and find the API keys. Note down your publishable and secret keys for later use. Now, set up the OAuth redirect URL in your application. This URL is where users will be sent after authorizing your app with Stripe. Make sure to have a route in your app to handle this redirect. Once your redirect URL is set, you'll need to create a Connect authorization link for your users. This link will direct them to Stripe and allow them to log in or create a Stripe account. Include the necessary parameters in the authorization link. The scope will typically include read_write for account access. Share this authorization link with your users through your Marketplace app. Once users authorize, they will be redirected back to your specified URL, along with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code from the callback URL. Exchange the authorization code for an access token by making a POST request to the Stripe API. Include your client ID and client secret in this request to authenticate. Upon successful exchange, Stripe will return an access token and perhaps a refresh token. Store the access token securely in your database. You can now use the access token to interact with the Stripe API on behalf of the connected account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.